Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my traded years before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So if you're looking for it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I do have two stocks in my watch list, and my first one for today would be ticker QS. The stock is gapping up on news, and I do have support levels identified around $56, $55.50, $54.96, $54.22 with stop around $53.60 area. The stock is having a pretty decent pre-market volume, a little over 1.5 million shares traded. It's not too overcrowded. The only thing that's concerning me is today I don't have the level 2 information within Fidelity, and for that I am relying on my Webull account, which I'm watching on a different screen. The next ticker that I'm watching today is ticker CCIV. This stock is also gapping on merger news, and I do have support levels identified around the 53.50, 52.90, 52.19, 51.50 with stop around the $51 area. I'll be careful trading the stock because it can make a green to red move, so I'll be careful, and it's a little bit overcrowded. A little over 3.5 million shares have been traded pre-market, so I'll be careful trading the stock. Going into market open, my primary watch would be ticker QS, and I'll wait for the stock to give me a pullback to my support levels. We do have around 4 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market opens in another 30 seconds, and I'm watching QS for a pullback. The market is open. I'm also watching CCIV, a sell-off, as I anticipated. I'm not ready to jump in. Just placing an order for 75 shares around 56.05. And look at CCIV. It actually sold off and then it's moving up. I missed it completely. Fell just shy of my support. So CCIV is going to be in play for sure. I'll wait, not in a hurry. So on QS, I think I just missed my ad. Yep, I got fill 56.05. So now I'll be playing QS. I want to place another order for around 55.52. That would be my second ad. Just 75 shares. I'm not selling early because I don't have enough skin in the game. It's a small share size. I wish I had more than 75 shares. Maybe I will take 25 shares out at 57, 56.98. I'd call 56.98. 25 shares. I'm holding. I'm not selling. I'm in the money, but not by a big amount. Just checking CCIV. That was a big sell-off. So 54.70 would be a new level, and 53.88 would be another level to 390. Yep, I got my second fill on QS, so I'm now in 150 shares. I'm not panicking. That's great. I have 150 shares. My third ad for 75 shares would be around 55. So let me put it at 54.96. That would be my third ad. I want this stock to move actually above 56.50. So I'm holding. I'm not selling. And for level 2, I'm watching my Webull account. I think I just missed my ad around $54. Not something that I love to see. So the low was 55 and I had it around 54.96. Bummer there. I just missed my third ad. It would have been wonderful to get that third ad. Probably I'll may get my fill now. The $55 clearly holding support. Yeah, I got my fill. Perfect. I'm waiting for 54.30 for my final ad. Yep, I got my final ad as well. So I'm canceling my sell order for now because that's not a realistic profit target. So I'm in 300 shares now. A lot of selling. I'm anticipating the stock to make a comeback about $55, and probably I can sell it for a profit. So I'm waiting patiently. I want to capture the bigger move. Yep, this is exactly I was looking. I'm in the money now. That move was not sustainable. For a minute I was in the money. The high was 55.31. I'm anticipating a 55.50 break. That's what I'm looking for. 55.50, please break it down for me. It's failing, continuously failing. It's testing my patience. If volume comes in, I think it should make a move up. I'm waiting patiently. It's for sure if I sell now, it's going to take off. We do have 30 seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. Yep, now it's making the push, giving it some more time. I'm not selling this too early. It's putting on a fight, so I'll hold on. It's not a penny stock, so I'm comfortable holding this position. I'm in the money. I'm looking for a bigger move. I sold 250 shares, just holding 50. I'll put a stop loss below 55.42. I was waiting for this move, and now I think I'll sell that 50 shares. Just selling that 50 shares. I'm out of the position. This was the move I was anticipating, and unfortunately, I sold my position at 55.75, and look at where it is now. But I think I captured a fair share of profits on this trade. Very happy with how I played the trade. I did not panic. I got my 4 ads. I waited patiently for the rebound and captured my fair share of profits. Overall, on the day, making $196, can't complain. I'll be happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.